let's talk about a lifesaver for those of us who've misplaced or broken our Chromecast with Google TV Remote. This is a replacement remote specifically designed for the Chromecast with Google TV, both the 4K and HD streaming sticks. It's compatible with models GA03131, US, GA01919, US, GA01920, US, and GA01923, US. So make sure to check the back of your Chromecast to confirm compatibility. The big selling point here is that it offers seamless control, just like the original. No one wants a replacement that's clunky or unresponsive. This remote aims to provide that smooth, familiar experience. One of the best features of the original Chromecast remote is the voice search, and thankfully, this replacement includes it. By pressing the voice button, you can easily search for your favorite shows and movies. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use voice commands to control the volume, switch inputs, play music, and even get answers to questions right on your screen. It really adds to the convenience factor. Pairing can sometimes be a headache with replacement remotes, but this one seems pretty straightforward. The instructions say to first press the pairing button on your Chromecast device itself. Then, you press and hold the back and home buttons on the new remote simultaneously for about 10 seconds, until the LED light starts flashing. Hopefully, that simple process will get you up and running quickly. This replacement remote is compatible with G9N9N, GA01409, US, GA02464, US, and GA02463, US Google Chromecast 4K HD remotes. It's designed to mimic the original voice remote, ensuring that all the functions you're used to are still available. The brand, Better Quality Remote, also emphasizes customer service. They state that if you have any questions or issues with your order, you can reach out to them, and they'll respond within 12 hours during the work week. That kind of support can be really valuable if you run into any problems during setup or use. In short, if you're in need of a replacement Chromecast with Google TV Remote, this one looks like a solid option. The voice search functionality, easy pairing process, and customer service promise make it a contender. Just be sure to double-check the compatibility with your specific Chromecast model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.